Sonnie coming at you from Fukuoka, Japan. We hit 8,000 subscribers! Thank you so much! And we actually hit this last week, but I had a really sore throat and couldn't really talk that well, so I couldn't film anything at that time. And what I originally wanted to film was me trying raw chicken, which is a thing here in Japan. It's special chicken, that way you don't get sick. And yeah, I really wanted to try it, but the place that we wanted to go through didn't have any reservations. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different today instead, and maybe I'll do the raw chicken for when we hit 9,000, or if I can dream, 10,000 subscribers. So if you want that to happen fast, please definitely tell other people about this channel and share some of my content. Thank you so much. So I don't know if you guys know, but in the UK, in America, in pretty much the entire rest of the world, there's one type of KitKat, just standard KitKat, and it's absolutely delicious. I mean, sometimes you can get like the really big KitKats, or I think they made like a special KitKat with like peanut butter in it one time in the US, which was fantastic. But here in Japan, it's on another level, which, you know, typical Japan, right? I have 4 different kinds of KitKats that I want to try with you, 2 of which I've had before but I wanted to share, and 2 of which I have never tried, and this will be the first time that I do this. So I'll start off with the ones that I've already tried and then work my way into the newer, and the last one will be the strangest one by far. Anyway, today I'm going to be starting with the dark chocolate. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I love it. I love dark chocolate. Also, fun fact, this is made by Nestle, which is the same in the UK, but in the US, KitKats are made by Hershey's. I have no idea why. If you know, comment below. Thanks so much. So they come in little individual packages, and they actually have little messages on the back so that you can write a note to someone and give these as individual gifts, like omiyage, after you go to a part of Japan that maybe has specialty KitKats. Like in Ehime, they are famous for oranges and citrus fruits, so they actually have orange flavored KitKats that I saw there, but I didn't get to try. So it looks like a regular KitKat, it's just dark. I got some on my hand. It's so good. It's rich. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It has that waffle kind of thing inside of it. What, baby? So yeah, these are amazing. But they're not my favorite. So these ones are my favorite. And I wish they weren't, because they're more expensive than the other ones. But they are super fancy. They are so fancy that they're all individually wrapped instead of having a partner. The top is just covered. Oh, it's so hot. It's just instantly melting in my hands. The top is covered in almonds and I believe cranberries. The cranberries are like a little bit tart, mixed with that sweet, because this is milk chocolate, so they're sweeter than the dark chocolate. And then it gets stuck in your teeth a little bit, but it's worth it. The almonds just add like a really nice crunch, and the cranberry with the chocolate, with the almonds, with the other crunch of the wafer, like, oh, it's so freaking good. If you come to Japan, I really recommend giving that one a try. That's so good. These ones are a special that just came out for the summer. In Japan, during the summer, chocolate and mint mixed together are considered a summer treat. So you can find different chocolate mint stuff everywhere, which I'm really happy about because I love mint chocolate chip ice cream, and I haven't been able to find them anywhere, only to find out that it's only available during the summer. Oh. Ooh, you can smell the mint straight away. It's kind of like an after dinner mint, like an after 8, or kind of tastes like Andes. And actually, the wafer is green. That's pretty cool. I really like that. It's chocolatey, it's minty, it's refreshing. Yeah, that one's good. I'm sad that that's gonna be like a seasonal thing and then it's gone. In Tokyo, they actually have a KitKat store with like all of the flavors of KitKats that you can get in one location, which is amazing, and I really want to go there. So the last one that I'm gonna have for this video, I've had it for a while, but I haven't tried it. Raw or cooked. Yeah, you've heard that right. You're supposed to cook these. So the bag looks like this. This is the before and this is the after. So it looks like there's gonna be a bunch of sugar on top that gets like bruleed when you cook it. It looks like they recommend baking it in an oven, which is interesting. And then it has that you can also freeze it afterwards. So you can smell it through the bag and it has a really sweet vanilla-y smell. It smells like vanilla bean pudding. So this is what it looks like before it's bruleed, before it's cooked. So let's move this party to the kitchen and see how this goes. Okay, so we're in the kitchen. I never thought that I would put KitKats on aluminum foil and in a baking tray, but that's what I've done. The instructions didn't say anything about a specific temperature that you're supposed to have the oven heated until or whatever, but it did say don't preheat the oven and to remove them as soon as they start changing color, that way they don't burn. So I'm just gonna throw them in high heat, because when you brulee a creme brulee, you're using a blowtorch and you're just heating up the sugar really, really fast. So that's the technique I'm gonna try. I feel like they're just melting and not bruleeing, but maybe that'll just take a little while longer. Okay, I'm switching it to broiler because I feel like it's just melting, it's not bruleeing. So I'm trying to get more like direct heat from above onto the sugar. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we got some bubbling going on top. Something's happening. And it's starting to change color. Ah, I'm taking it out. Okay, so broiling was the way to go. Look at that caramelization. This is kind of cool. So I'm just gonna let those cool down a little bit. I wonder if that's why they showed it going straight into the freezer. Like, are you supposed to have it hot, or are you supposed to brulee it and then let it cool down? I don't know. But I do know that the entire house smells kind of like a sugar vanilla-y smell now. Oh, I know what it is. It reminds me of like when you're making Rice Krispie treats, but you haven't added the Rice Krispies yet. It's just like butter and marshmallow. That's what it reminds me of. That's exactly what it smells like. Okay. It is really sweet. It's a much harder texture because of baking it. Like even the wafer on the inside is really hard. It's a weird, cool thing to try, but I'm not a fan. Maybe if it was like dark chocolate and caramel with like a little bit of sea salt on the top or something like that, maybe I would like it. Okay, it's actually the next day and I'm out on the balcony because Joe is recording a video for his channel inside, and yeah, I didn't notice that in my bag of absolutely favorite KitKats, which yes is much lighter today and I was eating more of those, that I get 2 free KitKats of another flavor. I don't know if that's new or whatever, but it says Sublime. So this to me looks like a cocoa pod, but it says Ruby on it, so I'm not sure what, it says Sublime Ruby. I don't know if you could see that. But I'm not sure what flavor it's going to be. It's pink. It just smells like vanilla and sugar to me again. So I'm not sure. Let's give it a try. There's vanilla, there's sweet, there's white chocolate, like all the white chocolate based ones. But there's some type of kind of tart red fruit. And it looks like this on the inside. It's just regular wafer. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I don't hate it. And on here, it just says ruby chocolate, and it mentions the cacao pod that I saw. For those of you who have made it to this point in the video, you know that we are leaving for Australia really soon, and I'm so excited about it. But I would love your comments and your suggestions for videos that you want to see while we're in Taipei, Singapore, Australia, and Cambodia. You know, we don't have all the time in the world, but some videos that I already have planned is like what we ate in nani country. Nani, oh my god, so that's what they say in classrooms in Japan. Nani, like what? Nani is what in Japanese. Okay, never mind. So yeah, what we ate in Australia video and what we ate in Cambodia video. And I also am going to make a video about the Great Barrier Reef and, you know, different vlog type videos. But I'm also going to do a reverse culture shock video in Australia because I'm completely sure that going to a Western country after living in Japan for a year is going to be a really big reverse culture shock for us. And then I also want to do like first impressions videos and stuff like that. So I'd love to know what you guys want to see too. And yeah, comment below, let me know what you think of, and that way, you know, maybe I can film a ton more videos than I initially had planned while we're on holiday. So yeah, I really appreciate that. Thank you. And thank you so much for watching. Comment below too with any flavors that you would love to see in a KitKat. And if it is already made in a KitKat, maybe I can track it down here in Japan and try it for you and give you kind of my idea of how it is. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you really liked it, subscribe and hit the little bell icon next to the subscription box if you've already subscribed to get a notification every time I upload a new video. If you really like my channel and you want to see me go from 8,000 subscribers to 9,000, 10,000 and more, please consider sharing this video, sharing my channel, and getting more people to watch. Because the more that I can get from YouTube, maybe I can go part-time and I can focus more and devote more to you guys and to YouTube, which I would absolutely love to do because I really enjoy doing this. Yeah, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!